Hey guys, I'm going to show you a quick preview of the Genius filter plugin. So first of all, this is the blog filter, and you can see we've got two different sections, which is basically your categories and your tags. And if you see in the plugin installation, you'll be able to change these quite easily. So you can add any headers you like here. And it's really easy. There's just two parts, some Java code and some CSS code, and you can change things like the colors. You can change obviously all your categories and your tags. We've also got a no results option here, which you can edit as well. So that's dead simple. You don't need to do any other heavy code work for this. You just install two different pieces of code, and it's really easy to customize. So that's the blog filter. Next, we have the portfolio. So this works a little bit differently. What you need to do is add in your category or your filter tag into the URL of your portfolio pages. And you can add multiple ones as well if you like. So as long as you have that URL in there, the code will work fine. And again, you'll be able to update the styles, so you can change these to whichever colors you like. You can change the shape, you can change the font size, etc. And it's really good for portfolios because they're quite difficult to categorize because they don't have the same options as a blog. So always handy to have. Next, we have the events filter. Now, this is the only one that's slightly different. This one uses 3 pieces of code, still really easy to install, but it's similar to the portfolio in that you use URLs on your events. So if you add in workshops in the URL, then they will appear in the filters, for example. So the only thing with this is we can only have one set of filters. We can't change it per categories and tags like the blogs, but still very much needed, really handy to have, great for organising events, especially if you do a lot. So that's it, guys. Basically, that's the preview of the Genius plugin. It's a simplified version, it's not complicated, and it's really going to help you organise your blogs, portfolios and events for your users, just to make life much more easier.